INTWARI Stadium, Burundian International Stadium is gonna be finished very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whoever you are in this world, how are you today? This is Burundi Vision TV. Make sure that you have already pressed subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see all my new posts. You guys should support me by hitting subscribe on the channel, and then we will share together all the beauty of Burundi, our lovely country. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wherever you are in this world, this is Burundian International Stadium. Just look how this stadium will be stunning. I would like just to let you know that this is not finished yet, but soon this one will be finished. And all Burundians, including me, we can't wait. We can't wait for sure to be on this stadium when it will be done. Just support our Burundian national team called Intamba mu Rugamba. Ladies and gentlemen, look how our stadium will be standing. Look how beautiful it is. It's very amazing. And when this one will be finished, completely finished, it will look most beautiful than you can see it now. You just wait. Alright then, my people, let me take this opportunity then to invite everybody wherever you are in this world. Maybe you are in Asia, you are in Europe, you are in Australia, you are in USA. I really invite you to visit Burundi and explore more about our country. It's such very beautiful country, Burundi. I assure that you will never be disappointed. Ladies and gentlemen, there is some rumors who are on social media saying that Burundi is the world's poorest country, but I've already told you guys this is not true. In the latest video, I've just show you how Burundi is so beautiful, with beautiful people, welcoming people, peaceful people. You guys should visit Burundi. I've told you that those people who come in Burundi and just take some picture of somewhere and say that Burundi is the first poorest country in the world. They have their own interest. They really need the views on social media, on YouTube. That's why they decide to hide and speak the truth. And this is really what Burundian we hate. If you need to visit Burundi, you can visit Burundi, but make sure that you will talk about Burundi in a positive way, because we don't really need some people coming in our country and they talk nonsense against our country. Ladies and gentlemen, do visit Burundi, it's okay, it's all good. Do visit Burundi, ladies and gentlemen. Bujumbura is so nice. Apo country Gitega is awesome. Ngozi is so cool. Rumonge is so beautiful. Makamba, I can't tell you, ladies and gentlemen. What I can tell you, do visit Burundi and explore more about our lovely country Burundi, which is like Eden Garden. But also remember that Burundi is the heart of Africa, Burundi. I'm very happy to be Burundian, and I will be happy also to see you as a foreigner visiting Burundi and post on social media something which is good in a positive way about our country, because we have seen that many people who comes from abroad, they post something which is not good about our country, but our country is very amazing and good. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, subscribe on this channel. Let's meet right in the next video showing you around in our beautiful country Burundi, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for being with me. Let's talk later. Ciao.